Hello students, today we are going to discuss the half adder. So question on the half adder will be like this. What is half adder? What is half adder? Explain the working of half adder with logic diagram and truth table. Question: what is half adder? Adder. Explain the working of half adder. Explain the working of half adder using logic diagram and truth table. This question will be of 3 marks. So answer for this question will be like this. What is a half adder? So definition of half adder. First write the definition, because what is half adder? That means we have to write the definition of half adder. Half adder is a logic circuit. Half adder is a logic circuit which can add two binary bits. Half adder is a logic circuit. Is a logic circuit which can add two binary bits. Two binary bits which can add two binary bits and produce result in the form of sum and carry. In the form of sum and carry. This is the definition of half adder. Half adder is a logic circuit we can add two binary bits and produces result in the form of sum and carry. Two binary bits. What is half adder? Completed. Explain the working of half adder using logic diagram and truth table. So we have to explain the working of half adder with the help of logic diagram and truth table. So first of all, we write the symbol of half adder. Symbol of half adder will be like this, logical symbol. These are the two inputs, two binary bits, A and B. A and B are the two binary bits that can be added and produces a result in the form of, in terms of carry and sum. So sum and carry are the output of this half adder. Inputs are A and B. So this is the logical symbol, or you just say symbol. Then what is the logic diagram? Logic diagram of half adder. Logic diagram. So A and B are the inputs. Two inputs, A and B. Carry It is also denoted as C and this is as S. Sum and carry. This is carry. So carry is equal to A dot B and sum is equal to A XOR with B. What is the expansion of A XOR with B? A dot B's complement plus A complement dot B. This is the logic diagram of hop adder. To construct the hop adder, we require two gates. One is an AND gate and another gate is a XOR gate. AND gate is required to produce the carry and XOR gate is required to produce the sum. Then write the truth table. Truth table and working. Truth table. Truth table. Truth table is a table which shows the output for different combination of input. So truth table. In the truth table, input and output. Inputs and outputs. Input A and B, output carry and sum. Carry and sum. So there are two inputs and two outputs for hop adder. So all the possible combinations 0, 0, 0, 1, 1, 0 and 1, 1. 0, 0, 0, 1, 1, 0, 1, 1. So 2 raised to 4 cases. Now, what are the outputs? That is sum and carry. Now, if you observe the equation for carry, A dot B, 0 dot 0, that is 0. 0 dot 1, that is 0. 1 dot 0, that is 0. 1 dot 1, that is equal to 1. Sum A XOR with B. A XOR with B. 0, 0, 0. How it is? We will discuss later on. 0, 1, 1. 1, 0, 1. 1, 1, 0. This is the XOR gate output. Sum is produced and that can be explained by using XOR gate. XOR gate, exclusive OR gate. The condition for XOR gate will be like this. If either of input is high, then output is high. That means among of two inputs, if one of the bit is high, then output is high. See, in the first case, both the inputs are low. That means output is low. In the last case, 1, 1. Both the inputs are high, then output is low. Exclusive OR gate. If either of input is high, then output is high. That means among of two inputs, if one input is high, then output is high. In the first and last case, both the inputs are 0. or 1, then output is low. How it is? We can explain the working by considering the 4 cases. Case 1. Carry. What is the output for carry? Carry is equal to, okay, 1 minute. Substitute. A is equal to 0 and B is equal to 0. A is equal to 0, B is equal to 0. So carry is equal to A dot B, 0 dot 0 is 0. So carry in the case is 0. Sum. A XOR with B. A dot B bar plus A bar dot B. 0 dot 0 bar plus 0 bar dot 0. 0 dot 1 plus 1 dot 0. 0 plus 0 which is equal to 0. Hence, sum is again 0 in the first case. Now second case. In the second case, if A is equal to 0, B is equal to 1. A is equal to 0. Case 2. A is equal to 0, B is equal to 1. A is equal to 0, B is equal to 1. Carry A dot B. 0 dot 1 is equal to 0. Hence, carry is 0. What is sum? Sum is equal to A XOR with B. A dot B's complement plus A's complement dot B. Here A is equal to 0. So 0 dot 1's complement plus 0's complement dot 1. In this case, 0 dot 0 plus 1 dot 1 which is equal to 0 plus 1 which is equal to 1. So in the second case, carry is 0, sum is 1. In the third case, case 3, if A is equal to 1, B is equal to 0, so carry is equal to A dot B, 1 dot 0 is equal to 0, hence carry is 0, whereas sum is equal to A XOR with B, 0 XOR with 1 which is equal to 1. We can write directly because either of input is high, then output is high. Case 4. If A is equal to 1, B is equal to 1, carry A dot B, 1 dot 1 is equal to 1. That means carry is 1 in the last case and sum A XOR with B, that is equal to 1 XOR with 1 is equal to 0. Because either of input, both the inputs are high, then output is low. Both the inputs are low, then output is low for this sum, because that explains the XOR gate as a sum. Now if you observe how the addition is carried out. Number 1, case 1. A is equal to what? 0. And B is equal to 0. So addition of these two gate. 0 dot 0. Here carry and sum. Sum is 0, carry is 0. See, sum is 0, carry is 0. Second case, A plus B, addition. A is equal to 0, B is equal to 1, addition, that gives, here it is carry and here it is sum. So 0 plus 1 is 1, carry is 0. See, sum is 1, carry is 0. Number 3, A plus B, addition. A is 1 and carry is 0. A is 1, B is 0. A is 1, B is 0. Here it is carry, here it is sum. So 1 plus 0 is 1. Sum is 1, carry is 0. Sum is 1, carry is 0. In the last case, case number 4, A and B, we are going to add the two bits. A is 1, B is 1. Addition, here it is carry and here it is sum. 1 plus 1 is 1, 0. 1, 0. Here sum is 0 and carry is 1. Sum is 0 and carry is 1. In this way, you can add the two inputs in the half adder, produces sum and carry. So this is all about the half adder, and it's working with the help of truth table and logic diagram. Thank you.